If you are learning new language on Duolingo and want features like no ads and unlimited hots, this video is for you. I will explain real and legal ways to get Duolingo Super for free. Everything will be simple, honest and easy to follow, so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start the video.
𝐂𝐭 is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit 𝐂𝐿 today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
I will give you this link in this video description, so don't worry about the link. This is the official link. Here you can see duolingo.com/redeem. Just you need to open this link and enter this coupon code. Then click on this redeem button. Here you can see congratulations, you are eligible for 1 month free trial of Super. Click on this claim offer. Then type here how old are you. Then click on this next. Put here your name, which is optional. Then I'm here using my email address. Then type a strong password, or you can simply select Google suggested. I will use this, use a strong password. Then click on this create account. Here you can see we will remind you 2 days before your trial end. Try Super free for 1 month. Click on this start my free trial. Start my free trial. Click on this. Here you can see 12-month plan and 83.99 cent USD per year, billed after 1 month trial. Click on this card button. Then put here your card detail. After the enter card detail, you will land on this page. Then click on this start learning with Super. Simply choose which language you want to learn. Suppose I am here example choosing Spanish. Click on continue. How did you hear about Duolingo? Just select random things. Okay, just for fun. I am new to Spanish. Continue. Daily 20 minutes. Continue. Start find my level. Now Duolingo starts loading for me. Let's close this. Close this. Here you can see 500. You have 500 gems and Duolingo Super. You are learning on Super Duolingo. This is the official trick, official method without any. Here you can see next payment for February and today is 4 January. So I can use this Duolingo Super for 1 month in a completely free. If you want or want to like this type of videos, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And if you want to buy anything, then please visit my store 𝐂𝐿 I will give this website link on my video description. Thank you for watching video.